When it comes to hiding in places like forests or behind walls, the drone's ability to detect you goes down, since the thermal camera only picks up heat signatures. If you can hide or change your heat signature, it makes it way harder for the drone to find you. The resolution of the thermal camera also plays a big role in how well it can spot individuals. If the resolution is low, it's tough to see smaller heat signatures clearly, which makes detecting people harder. In crowded areas where there are lots of heat signatures, the drone's software can get confused. And in urban settings, buildings and roads can block the thermal camera's view, affecting its readings. Weather conditions like rain, snow, or fog can also mess with how well thermal imaging works, reducing its effectiveness. Thermal imaging works by picking up heat from objects, which is super handy for everything from checking buildings to law enforcement. The special camera sees heat instead of regular light, so it can work in the dark and be great for surveillance. Things like temperature differences, humidity, and obstacles can all affect how well thermal imaging works. If the temperatures are similar, the drone won't work as well. Different terrains and environments can also impact how effective thermal imaging is. In urban areas, buildings and roads can get in the way of a clear picture. As for spotting people, it really depends on the situation. In some cases, drones are awesome at finding people, especially in open areas with big temperature differences. But in other situations, like crowded places or if someone can hide their heat signature, drones might struggle. Drones are super helpful in search and rescue missions, helping find missing folks in the wilderness. So, in the end, thermal drones are powerful tools, but they do have their limits and might not work perfectly in every situation. They are just one piece of the puzzle, and can be really effective when used the right way.